A brand new performance smartphone from iQOO is on the way, which is iQOO Z11 Turbo, and it is expected to launch soon in China. While the company hasn't announced an official launch date yet, it has already started building hype around the device. iQOO recently confirmed on Weibo that the Z11 Turbo is now open for pre-orders. Interested buyers can reserve the phone via the official Vivo website and other online retailers. Along with the pre-order announcement, iQOO also shared the first official look at the phone's rear design. Looking at the teaser, the iQOO Z11 Turbo features a square-shaped rear camera module. Inside the module, there's a pill-shaped cutout housing dual rear cameras, while the LED flash is placed separately outside the camera island. The phone also appears to sport a flat frame with rounded edges, giving it a modern and premium look that matches current flagship design trends. In a separate post, an iQOO product manager revealed some important hardware details. The iQOO Z11 Turbo will be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 5 processor, making it a serious performance-focused smartphone. The device will also feature a 6.59-inch display, which should offer an immersive viewing experience for gaming and multimedia. On the camera front, the Z11 Turbo is confirmed to pack a 200MP primary rear camera, promising flagship-level photography. It will also come with IP68 and IP69 ratings, meaning solid dust and water resistance. Plus, iQOO has confirmed improved battery life compared to its predecessor, which is great news for power users and gamers. With pre-orders already live, iQOO is expected to reveal more details soon, including the official launch date and full specifications. So as of now, that's all we know about the iQOO Z11 Turbo smartphone, and we'll come to know more details about the phone in the coming days. Till then, stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.